Hey guys, it's me again, and today I'm making the Krusty Krab. I'm going to start by gluing on the sides. I'm going to also glue the wall and roof of the kitchen area on. Now this is going to be a simple build. I didn't make a template because for this build it would be hard because it really depends on what size you are going to want it. There's also a lot of customization that you can do in it. Anyway, I glued in these pieces to separate the different rooms. I'm also going to put the back on of Mr. Krab's office because he has the safe. Then cut out the window that goes from Squidward's boat to the kitchen. And just make some grooves for the doors. Glue down Squidward's boat and add a cash register. Then I took some toothpicks and cardboard and made tables, then glued them down randomly. Then I put in toothpicks on the side windows. Then I'm taking some cardboard squares and making a grill. I did a similar thing for the deep fryer and the sink. I also made the table that holds the toppings. Here's how they look. Then glue them in. If you watch SpongeBob, then you should know where they go. The freezer just has a bunch of boxes, and that's what I'm going to make by cutting up random sizes of cardboard. Then I'm just going to glue them in. Now for the stalls in the bathroom, I am simply just gluing these pieces of cardboard together. For the toilet, just roll some cardboard up and glue it in the stall. I made Mr. Krab's desk by gluing together a few pieces of cardboard. Glue this little shelf in the safe. I'm taking some glue to make a little Krabby Patty secrete formula. I'm going to fold up this green strip of construction paper to make money stacks for the safe. Now glue the front on, then I'm going to make a bunch of slices almost the whole way through to make it bendy. Then I glued just a bit of the roof on so you could lift it up and look inside. With these smaller strips, go ahead and do the same thing. Now I'm going to glue this side thing on and then also glue a piece like this on the front. Take this toilet paper roll and cut it, then roll it up a bit tighter. Cut it and glue it to the roof. Next I made the flags and glued them on a thin strip of paper that I glued onto the front. Then it's done. Be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video. Thanks.